Hi guys, it's your boy Keishaun Haynes here for today. And today I'm gonna be forcing this phone to start going under the covers with me to show how I rub my titties under the covers. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Rub your titties in the covers. Ooh, rub it. Rub it up. Ooh, this bed will smell like my freaking smelly underwears with sweat. Yeah, it's gonna smell like my stinky butt with underwear. So I could smell like some crappy doodles and stuff. Ooh, rub it up. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.